Hello, today I will show you how to make an animation like this. Let's start by creating a scene. To do this, we enlarge the cube and align it. Next, we delete the sides of the cube that we don't need. To do this, click on the side that you want to delete, then delete and select from the list Faces. And so, our scene is ready. Later, we will give it a texture. And now we add our object. This is a face. With it, our animation will be. Now we set up the camera to capture the animation. You can see all the settings on the screen. Next, add light. Press Shift+A and select Light. Place everything so that the light falls correctly. The light is ready. All that's left to do is adjust the brightness. Moving on to colors and textures, let's add color to the face. Great, now let's apply a texture to our scene. We select it, then go to the shading section. We will set the textures there. There's already material here, you need to add image texture to it. Press Shift+A and we choose Texture, then Image Texture. We combine them as shown on the screen. We choose the photo that will be our texture. And that's it. The color and texture are applied. All that's left is to add the fabric as it falls with the animation. Add, align, and increase. We also add texture to the cloth. Now we add an animation of the cloth falling onto our object. I talked about this in another video about cloth simulation. If you haven't watched it, check it out. The link is in the description. And now, The animation is ready. Now we will increase the amount of geometry. Well, I hope you liked it. If so, support me with a like and a subscription to the channel. If something is not clear, write your questions in the comments. I will be happy to answer. Thank you and see you later. Bye.